Welcome back, friends. Would you rather? Bird Edition. Before we going into the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for exciting quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. Sparrow or starling? Eagle or hawk? Owl or falcon? Sparrow or robin? Penguin or parrot? Crow or seagull? Swan or pelican? Hummingbird or woodpecker? Flamingo or peacock? Toucan or puffin? Raven or blue jay? Vulture or albatross? Ostrich or emu? Kiwi or cassowary? Bald eagle or golden eagle? Sparrowhawk or kestrel? Nightingale or canary? Swallow or warbler? Heron or crane? Osprey or buzzard? Quail or grouse? Kingfisher or wren? Seagull or pigeon? Magpie or jay? Pelican or cormorant? sparrow or finch? Dove or partridge? Falcon or kite? Swan or duck? Ostrich or cassowary? Peacock or turkey? Puffin or auklet? Robin or bluebird? Cockatoo or macaw? Hummingbird or bee hummingbird? Kiwi or moa? Sparrowhawk or harrier hawk? Crane or stork? Vulture or condor? Magpie or jackdaw? Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, giving the video a thumbs up, and sharing it with others. Your support means a lot to us.